Hi, I'm Mike Bellevue. I'm the black powder editor for Guns of the Old West magazine. And today we're out at the range with a Sharps rifle that's called Lyman's Model of 1878. Now this is not an 1878 Sharps, which is a hammerless model. This is actually an 1877 Sharps. And the 1878 in the title refers to the year William Lyman invented this sight. And this rifle is basically to commemorate a great single shot rifle and a great sight. So I'm going to take you through some of its features and then we'll see how it does out on the range. The rifle in the Lyman Model of 1878 package is actually a replica of the Model 1877 Sharps. This is sometimes called the Creedmoor Sharps. Earlier Sharps, like this one, had a massive lock, a big hammer, and a heavy breech block. And this was a problem for 19th century long-range target shooters. The International Rules of Long-Range Target Shooting, as they were set up by the British National Rifle Association and later copied by the United States NRA, stipulated that a rifle could weigh no more than 10 pounds. And with a heavy action, that meant they had to use too light a barrel, and that was a problem for accuracy. The Model 1877 Sharps had a lighter lock, a lighter hammer, and a lighter breech block. And that meant they could put more weight into the barrel, which improved its accuracy as a long-range target gun. This replica of the Model 1877 Sharps is made by Pedersoli in Italy, and it's imported exclusively by Lyman. It's heavily laser engraved with the markings Lyman 1878 in a number of places. It's a very classy looking rifle. One departure from the Model 1877 Sharps that you'll see on this Pedersoli replica are the triggers. And the triggers on this gun are the double set variety. You pull the back trigger and that sets the front trigger to a hair trigger configuration. That was actually against the international target shooting rules, which required a single unset trigger. So they've changed things up a little bit, but these are very good triggers for modern target shooting. Well, Evil Roy is 50 yards downrange, and we've got the Lyman Model 1878. Beautiful Sharps, and let's see if we can make Roy jump a little. Dead center. Well, this Model 1877 Sharps replica has a beautiful falling block action. And of course, it is a single shot. It loads right from the back, and the block closes up. Bring it to full cock. And we've got double set triggers, which are just excellent. So, set it. Just a touch on the front trigger, and bang. This rifle is equipped with a Lyman Model 17A globe front sight, and this is a phenomenal sight. And I've got to say, for hunting, I would probably choose the bead, but you've got a lot of choices besides that. The Lyman 17A comes with 8 changeable inserts. And even though the blades can be kind of useful for short range shooting or for hunting, for target shooting, nothing beats the open circles. They are just phenomenal because you can really center up your target in them, and it makes the gun capable of very good accuracy. Now, I'm not a real good long range shooter, and shooting 500 and 800, 1,000 yards is really outside of my comfort zone. But at 100 yards from the bench, I was able to shoot groups like this all day with this rifle. And I think that's just excellent. Well, I've got a water jug 50 yards downrange. Let's see if we can make a splash with the sharps. It's a pretty impressive effect. That water jug was pretty easy. So now I'm gonna try something a little more challenging. I've got a honeydew melon set up 50 yards downrange, which with a 45-70, even with good sights, that's a much tougher shot for me. So we'll see if I can hit it. Whacked it. We'll finish up with an out of focus bad guys view.